You might have to shuffle along a bit, lads, because there's quite a few to get on. So a bit further, you might have to go off the red carpet there, unfortunately, so they can all get on. Okay, when I call out your names, just raise an arm so they know who to shout for. So our first lifter, Harvey Morris. From Sakura, Helen Edwards. From Strength Academy Wales, these are in the under 15s, by the way, they're all under 15s at the moment. From Strength Academy Wales, Carl Colella. And the under 15s from Bangor, Archie Allison. From Strength Academy Wales, Dan Thomas. From Northwest One, Sam Roberts. From South Pembrokeshire weightlifting, Devin Baker. From Bangor, Reese Fletcher. From Northwest One, Morgan Caulfield. From South Pembrokeshire weightlifting, Jack Thomas. And from Sakura, Callum Tucker. And in the under 17s, from Sakura, Ben Lawrence. From SA1, Nathan Manker. And one of our powerlifters from Strength Academy Wales, Harry Thomas. Thank you very much. Please continue with your warm-ups. Thank you very much.